Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power door locks, MP3 player, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.